The new car will be positioned as a mid-size, all-electric MPV, and new car-making brands will become its main competitors after its future launch. The new car adopts a family-oriented design language in terms of exterior design. The closed grille, the full-length LED daytime running lights and the matrix LED main light source are particularly striking. The front lip area of the actual model is also equipped with millimeter-wave radar. The side lines of the body are smooth and neat, the elements are simple but attractive. It is worth noting that the show car is equipped with a rear-view mirror function, which is simultaneously full of technology. It still has the traditional rear-view mirror shape. Secondly, the entire car is also equipped with concealed door handles to optimize wind resistance. In terms of practicality, double-sided electric sliding doors are used for easy access and privacy glass. The tail design is square and full of power, and the LED penetrating light group is highly recognizable, making the overall visual feeling of the tail more futuristic. The vehicle size is 4,907 by 1,885 by 1,756 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,975 mm. The interior has a very smart style with exquisite craftsmanship and materials, and a large area of soft leather covering, which strengthens the sense of class. The triple screen through the interior is full of technological atmosphere. Connected car machine system, a simple user interface design and app download, voice command. It provides functions such as driving assistance, mobile phone interconnection and other available main functions. The second row seats are independently designed to increase their comfort and the slide rails are longer for easy entry. The main functions are electric adjustment, seat heating, central armrest, etc. The layout consisting of 3 rows of seats and 3 seats meets the needs of more than one person. The workmanship and materials of the seats are the same as those in the front row. The specific parameters of power are currently unknown, but according to previous declaration information the new car will provide a motor with a maximum power of 180 kilowatts and the battery pack has ternary lithium and lithium iron phosphate to choose from. The new car also supports battery replacement and charging. The Saic Maxus Datong 7 will be officially unveiled at the Chengdu Auto Show, and specific details will be revealed further at the press conference.